Guy DelGrande. I run our BFSI division, Banking, Financial Services, and Insurance. And so what Orion does essentially is we're a global company, and we're providing IT services to many Fortune 100 banks, mid-sized banks, credit unions, globally around the world. And so we've been providing services for over 45 years.
I'm Jeff Piazza, and I head up our global experience design team. And our job is to really understand who our customers are and our customers' customers. We design anything from payments experiences to digital banking experiences, essentially making it easier for users to engage with the products and services.
Hi, I'm Sonali Dixit. I'm Global Delivery Head for Banking and Financial Services within Orion. We have global delivery centers across the world. We have centers in India, in East Europe, Mexico, in US. The most tangible impact of AI within financial services is multifold. So let's take an example of a bank. Say their retail banking division would have the front-ending layer, which is your retail banking that interacts with customer. Then you have the middle layer where you have your platforms and information and data data hubs which are processing the data, the logical layer, and then you have the back end where all your interaction and integration with various internal systems are working. In the front ending where customer journeys and experience design is, we have Jeff's team working on experience design and user journeys there that can be automated and understood and made efficient. And AI introduces at that layer to front end with the client and provide better information. We have projects and programs going on where we are providing data solutions to go into an AI era. Data and understanding data and putting that data together is extremely important. So that makes the foundation of any AI solution being put into these firms. But even beyond AI, if we keep AI aside, data still needs to be put together in a proper framework so that it can be called up by different applications and services efficiently. So Orion does work in those areas. We have our data practice, our COI, that helps us create custom solutions for our clients for building these data frameworks and efficient data models together. And now even so more, this data has to be layered up and paired up with AI, and we are experienced in doing that.
UX and UI has a critical component to how humans and we are all engaging these systems for both our customers and the employees, the people who are working in these large institutions. The goal here is to be able to create seamless experiences across different workflows. And AI is playing a big role because it's picking up a lot of the work normally have to be done by people. And it intuitively kind of build out those scenarios. But our role is actually elevated, what we call shift left. It's more strategic, where we're going to accelerate a lot of the work that we do in terms of to be higher value. And that's what we're seeing in delivering for customers right now. We're delivering for different ways in terms of enhanced workflows, delivering higher value, in terms of reducing risk and mistakes, in terms of injecting those into different ways of working. And it's improving the outcomes. Now, on the customer side, we're using AI to personalize the experiences. Something we've been working on most recently is generative UI, where the interfaces are actually created to be personalized or hyper-personalized for that particular persona or user's experience. And it all comes down to really making sure we're able to empower the person who's engaging with the system the most. Fractured systems across large enterprises are really the biggest challenge. Sonali had mentioned earlier, we have different types of data strategies that all need to come together. So the first thing we do is think about what does the ecosystem look like? We identify and do an assessment where are the core challenges. But where we're really focusing in on is really understanding the landscape, identifying and prioritizing based upon our customers' goals, who their customer needs are, identifying key areas to kind of focus our attention, and then providing a framework to deliver excellent results.
Yeah, so the key is this, 45 years of experience is extremely relevant because, as you heard Sonali and Jeff both describe, technology is moving at the speed of sound. One of the critical elements you can't forget about is, at the end of the day, this technology has to still be vibrant, but it also has to have integrity, right? And if you don't understand a domain environment, you can, hire younger developers who might understand AI, but they're not going to understand the domain. So you really have to marry both the domain experience with the more modern technologies today. And that's where I think we are differentiated because we've got a ton of experience in banking and financial services. And we're combining that with some of the modern technologies. I love the fact that we're able to take Jeff's capability and experience design because the future will be someone designing an application right from an overall GUI, interface perspective, right? It's that ability now to take so much data that's out there, and Sonali described it in so many forms, and having the ability to synthesize, bring in that data, right, into one basic engine, and from there managing that. So now we've got the ability to, support our clients. So again, we're going to continue that journey, leveraging all that experience and providing our clients, a complete global experience. That's the future for Orion.